Ẹ káàbọ̀ ẹ̀yin ọmọ ilé-ìwé Yoruba Basics. Welcome Yoruba Basics students. Today we're going to talk about numbers. We're going to talk about numbers and how numbers are used in Yoruba. So if you haven't looked at any of our videos before, we have a video about alphabets and the explanation of alphabets, the similarities between the English alphabet and Yoruba alphabet. So go ahead and take a look at that. In this video, we're going to talk about numbers, okay, and how numbers are derived in Yoruba. So let's just get right into it. The learning objective is by the end of this module, you're going to be able to count from 1 to 20 in Yoruba. You're going to understand how Yoruba the base of the Yoruba numbers are used and reused. And then you're going to understand that some of the base, the way we get to other numbers includes the description of addition and multiplication. In comparison to the English numerical system, which is decimal, which means you're going from 1 to 10, the Yoruba, this is an interesting fact, the Yoruba numbers is actually something called vagismal, okay, which means it's a base of 1 to 20. Okay, so we go all the way to the 20 and then we kind of start off again and then we start off again. All right, let's go ahead. All right, so what are the numbers in Yoruba? Well, let's go ahead and read them. Ikon, or sometimes referred to as Okon, Okon, is the first one. The second one is Meji, Meta, Mary, Marun, Mefa, Meje, Mejo, Meson, Mewa. So that's up to 10. So then to go from 10, from 11 onwards, you have Mokonla, Mejila, Metala, Merinla, márùndínlógún. Okay, I'll talk about more about this particular special number here, number 15. Márùndínlógún, mẹ́rìndínlógún, mẹ́tàdínlógún, méjìdínlógún, mọ́kàndínlógún, ogún. Okay, so the reason I kind of wanted to just throw all of those out there first so you can see it is that so you can sense in patterns in the numbers. From 1 to 10, just like in English, you have your 1 to 10, those are like your base numbers. And then when you get to 11 and 12, you start recognizing some patterns. Like 12 looks like it's related to 2, 13 looks like it's related to 3, 14 related to 4, and so on. Same thing here. We have 11, we have mokonla. If you notice, there's the okon or okon inside of it. Then you also look at mejila. In Mejila, if you notice there, we have the 2. Mejila, that's a similarity of the 2. Metala, Merila. But when you get to 15, 15 actually has another number that we call it. We can call it Medogun. But the technical term is Marundilogun. And if you start looking at why this number is so long, well, because they're descriptive. Really, they're descriptive. Ogun is 20. So Marundilogun is 5 less than 20. Mẹ́rìndínlógún means 4 less than 20. Remember, mẹ́rin was 4. Márùn is 5. Mẹ́tàdínlógún, mẹ́ta again was 3, and so on and so forth. Okay, let's take a closer look. So, for example, if you were to say ikon, you want to say one lizard, you would say alangba kan. 2/3 is ìjàpá méjì, so méjì. Ajá mẹ́ta, ajá mẹ́ta. Ológbò mẹ́rin, ológbò mẹ́rin. Ẹja márùn, ẹja márùn. What you should notice right away is that we identify the object and then we put the quantity at the end of the object, as opposed to in English where we say 5 tortoises, you would say tortoise and then the 5 at the after in Yoruba. Okay, so ìjàpá márùn is what you would say. Okay, so let's move on. Ìwé mẹ́fà, ìwé mẹ́fà. Ìkọ̀wé méje, ìkọ̀wé méje. Ìkùnwé mẹ́jọ, ìkùnwé mẹ́jọ. Ìrésà mẹ́sàn-án, ìrésà mẹ́sàn-án. Rúlà mẹ́wàá, rúlà mẹ́wàá. So we've gotten from 1 to 10. So now let's get into the overlaps, okay, of after 10. Mọ́kànlá, mọ́kànlá, you're noticing here you have the ọ̀kan or ọ̀kan in the middle of it. Mọ́kànlá. Òdòdó mọ́kànlá, that means 11 flowers. Oyin méjìlá, oyin méjìlá. kòkòrò mẹ́tàlá, kòkòrò mẹ́tàlá. Ẹyẹ mẹ́rìnlá, ẹyẹ mẹ́rìnlá. And then all of the la should let you know that that's like over. So 3 over, 4 over 10, 5 over, 1 over 10, 2 over 10. Now let's get into the 15. Such a long name, right? Well, sometimes we call it mẹ́ẹ̀ẹ́dógún. You know, it's kind of like a short form of márùndínlógún, mẹ́ẹ̀ẹ́dógún. Márùndínlógún is basically 5, which is márùn, dín, which is less, ogún, 5 less than 20. Márùndínlógún. So when you understand how the numbers are kind of put together to form other numbers, or the division, like I was saying earlier with the objectives that, you know, there's some addition and subtractions going on. This is exactly what I was talking about. Let's look a little bit closer at some of the other numbers. 16 is mẹ́rìndínlógún. Mẹ́rìndínlógún, because we already know that 4 is mẹ́rin. 17 is mẹ́tàdínlógún. Mẹ́tàdínlógún, which is 3 less than 20. 18 is méjìdínlógún, which is 2 less than 20. And then 19 is mọ́kàndínlógún. Mọ́kàndínlógún, which is 1 less than 20. And then 20 is ogún. 20 is ogún. Now, the pattern that I was talking about, base 20, does not become really evident until you go after 20. So make sure when you get a chance, sign up for more classes from Yoruba Basics. We have a lot of free resources on our site. We have free workbooks, activity sheets that you could use to learn more about the alphabet. However, if you learn from 1 to 20, it's a lot easier for you to learn additional numbers. So 20, for example, 21, it would be the 20, le, which means over 1, okay? And then 22, 23, and so on and so forth. And then you start seeing the patterns when you look at 40 and 60 and 80 and so on and so forth. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video about numbers. I'm going to do a quick recap here, which is ìkan, ọ̀kan, méjì, mẹ́ta, mẹ́rin, márùn, mẹ́fà, méje, mẹ́jọ, mẹ́sàn, mẹ́wàá, mọ́kànlá, méjìlá, mẹ́tàlá, mẹ́rìnlá, márùndínlógún, mẹ́rìndínlógún, mẹ́tàdínlógún, méjìdínlógún, mọ́kàndínlógún, ogún. And also we have some videos that you can watch that can kind of help you remember those. So thank you very much for watching, and you guys have a nice one. Ó dàbọ̀.